Namaskar, Khushro Bitiya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Humanist University. Today our topic is lipid of biochemistry. So in biology and biochemistry, lipid is a macromolecule that is soluble in non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent are typically hydrocarbons used to dissolve other naturally occurring hydrocarbons, lipid molecules that don't dissolve in water, including fatty acids, wax, steroids, fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, K, monoglycerides, diglycerides, triglycerides, and phospholipids. The function of lipid include storing energy, signaling, and acting as structural compound of cell membrane. Lipid have applications in the cosmetic and food industry as well as in nanotechnology. Fatty acids or fatty acid residue, when they are part of lipid, are a diverse group of molecules synthesized by chain elongation of acetyl coenzyme A primer with malonyl coenzyme A group in a process called fatty acid synthesis. They are made up of hydrocarbon chain that terminate with hydroxyl group. Arrangement confers the molecule with a polar hydrophilic and non-polar hydrophobic and that is insoluble in water. The fatty acid structure is one of the most fundamental category of biological lipid that is commonly used as building block of most structurally complex lipids. The carbon chain, typically between 4 to 24 carbon long, may be saturated and unsaturated and may be attached to functional group containing oxygen, halogen, nitrogen and sulfur. If a fatty acid contains a double bond, there is a possibility of either a cis or trans geometric isomerization, which significantly affect the molecular configuration. Cis double bond cause the fatty acid chain to bend, an effect that is compounded with more double bond in chain. 3 double bond in 18 carbon acid, linoleic acid are the most abundant fatty acid chain or plant thylakoid membrane render these membrane highly fluid despite environmental low temperature. Example of biological important fatty acid include isoxantoid derived primarily from arachidonic acid and isosplenoic acid that include prostaglandin and leukotrienes. First, we will discuss about glycerolipids are composed of mono, di or tri substance glycerol, the best known being the fatty acid triester of glycerol called triglycerides. The word triglycerol is sometimes used synonymously with triglyceride. Next, we will discuss about glycerophospholipid. Glycerophospholipid, usually referred to as phospholipid, are ubiquitous in nature and are known a key compound of the lipid bilayer of cell, as well as being involved in metabolism and cell signaling. Neural tissue, including the brain, contain relatively high amount of glycerophospholipids, and alteration in their composition has been implicated in various neurological disorders. Sphingolipids. Sphingolipids are a complicated family of compounds that share a common structure feature, a sphingoid base backbone that is synthesized de novo from amino acid serine and a long chain fatty acid acetyl coenzyme that converted into ceramides, phospholipids, glycerophingolipids, and other compounds. Sterols such as cholesterol is derivative and an important component of membrane lipid along with glycerophospholipid and sphingomyelins. Other examples are bile acid and their conjugate phenols. Lipids are synthesized from 5 carbon unit precursors that are produced mainly by the MVA pathway. The simple isoprenoids are formed by the successive addition of C5 unit and are classified according to number of these terpenes unit. Sacrolipids, polyketides, and membrane functions. Energy storage. Triglycerides stored in adipose tissue are a major form of energy storage both in animal and plant. They are a major source of energy because carbohydrates are fully reduced structure in comparison to glycogen, which would contribute only half of energy as per pure mass. Triglyceride carbon are all bounded to hydrogen, unlike in carbohydrate. Signaling next function is and other function is fat soluble vitamins made up from lipids. Biosynthesis animals, when there is a oversupply of dietary carbohydrate, the excessive carbohydrate convert into triglycerides. This involves the synthesis of fatty acid from acetyl coenzyme A and esterification of fatty acids in the production of triglyceride, a process called lipogenesis. Degradation. This digital session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapit 2.0 digital version. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.